Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm bringing you guys this look right here. I hope you guys like it and let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes, and I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer. This is the I Am Magic concealer in the shade 15. So I'm just going to be applying this on my eyelids and blending it out with a brush. The palette that I'll be using today is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the volume 2. I'm going to go in with Not My Journey, and I'm applying this on the outer V of my eye. I'm using a small blending brush. So I'm picking up color as I go, and I'm applying it and blending it out. I am gonna take my time blending this out because it is a dark color and I don't want it to get patchy. So I did just poke my eye a little bit but anyways, yeah, so I'm just going to be blending this shade out, and for the next shade that I'll be applying, I'm picking up a clean brush and I'm going in with Temptress, which is the beautiful black shade that you saw on the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this on top of the purple and just blending those shades together. So I am going back and forth and picking up a little bit of purple and black together and just blending those shades together to really give it that depth effect. So now I'm going in with the shade Lolly Mama, and I'm going to be applying this on my brow bone and just blend it out with the purple and getting rid of the harsh lines that I might have left behind. For the other half of my eyelid, I'm picking up a Certified, and I'm using a flat brush, so I'm just going to be applying it there. My concealer that I applied as a base is still a little bit tacky, so it's going to work perfectly for this shade and it's just going to stick there. Now I'm going in with a little bit more of Lolly Mama, and I'm just going to be blending out the white with the purple. And for lashes, I'm using these Cavalli lashes. These are in the style Winni. I am going to be curling my eyelashes first, and then I'll be applying the falsies. So now I'm just applying some eyeliner on my waterline. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with Not My Journey, and I'm using a small pencil brush. I'm just going to be applying this and blending it out across my bottom lash line. For my lips, I'm using this Beauty Vault lip liner, and this is in the shade Meet Madam. I'm just going to be lining my lips, and then I'll be filling in with lipstick. And for lipstick, I'm using this Beauty Vault liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Silky Sophia. So I'm just going to be filling in my lips with this beautiful lipstick. And I am going to go back in with a lip liner one more time and just kind of create a semi ombre effect, and that completes the look. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.